Hi, welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you on how to calculate frequency and relative frequency in a categorical variables. Now, before we get started, I would like to show you the definition of frequency. Now, looking at this, the frequency is the number of times a particular value for a variable's data item has been observed to occur. Now, if you look at the table by your right, we could see the range of tables and the number of time the item was um, observed to occur. Now, in the next videos, I'll be showing you on how to calculate frequency and relative frequency in a numerical variables. Now, let's look at the definition for relative frequency. Now, what we have here, a relative frequency is a ratio, fractions or proportions of the number of times a value of the data occur in the set of all outcome to the total number of outcome. Now, there's a key word here we want to focus on, ratio. Whenever we're talking about ratio, we want to see the percentage difference between each of these variables. Now, let's go to our data set. Now, for we to calculate the frequency, we use the function count if. Then we go back to our data. Then we highlight the particular column, anchor this. Then we pick up our criteria. We populate this down. Now we can see the number of time that each of these value occur in a data set on column B, and we can see the sum total for all frequency or all occurrence on the data set. For we to calculate the relative frequency, it's just simply the picking up the first value on the table, then divide by the sum total of all occurrence. Anchoring this means that for if we populate this data down, the number of the occurrence, total number of occurrence will not change. So it's pulled down without changing from that particular sum. Now, to validate how true is our value, it's giving us 100%, meaning that the ratio of relative frequency is 100%. Now, we can simply say that people prefer buying clothes more than every other category in this section. So by seeing this, we can actually start making decision on which item to stock most. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to this video. Thanks.